Welcome to an in-depth summary of Tony Robbins' powerful book, Money, Master the Game, 7 Simple Steps to Financial Freedom. Prepare to transform your financial future. Have you ever felt overwhelmed or intimidated by the world of finance? Imagine finally taking control, moving from fear to freedom. That's the hook. Robbins promises that financial freedom isn't just for the elite. It's a structured, achievable goal available to anyone willing to follow a simple, proven system. This book is a masterclass, distilling wisdom from interviews with 50 of the world's most brilliant financial minds. It's the ultimate roadmap to mastering your money. Let's identify the core problem facing most people when it comes to their money. The biggest hurdles are often paralyzing fear and the perceived complexity of investing. But Robbins shows us how to cut through the noise. The whole framework is built around 7 simple, actionable steps designed to take you from financial struggle to absolute freedom. Let's look at the overview. Step 1 is foundational. Make the most important financial decision of your life. This is where your financial habits truly begin. The shift is simple. Stop viewing yourself as a victim or outsider. Commit to becoming the financial insider who controls their destiny, not just reacting to market forces. The most crucial habit is automating your savings. Pay yourself first by setting aside a percentage of every paycheck. Make it non-negotiable, just like paying a bill. Next, we move into understanding the financial landscape and creating a game plan you can actually win. Robbins dedicates time to exposing how hidden fees and excessive expenses erode your wealth. You must understand the rules of the game to stop losing money unnecessarily. Step 3 is about making the game winnable by protecting your downside. Robbins advocates for the all-weather portfolio concept, a diversified strategy built to survive and thrive in any economic climate. Steps 4 and 5 focus on clarity and commitment to your ultimate goal, financial freedom. You must define your freedom number, the amount of passive income needed to cover your living expenses. Robbins outlines 5 levels, starting from financial security to absolute financial freedom. The ongoing habit of continuous learning and regular portfolio adjustments ensures you stay on track. The world changes. Your financial strategy must adapt. This is the section where Robbins shares the insider's edge, strategies gleaned from the world's greatest investors. The key takeaway from financial legends like Warren Buffett and Ray Dalio is simplicity and minimizing risk. Their strategies demystify complex investing. The single most consistent recommendation is utilizing low-cost, broadly diversified index funds to maximize returns while minimizing the devastating drag of high fees. The final step is the ultimate destination, utilizing your financial mastery to create a rich and fulfilling life, not just a wealthy one. Financial freedom is meant to enable generosity. The habit of giving back creates massive fulfillment and a lasting legacy. Ultimately, the habits of gratitude and abundance ensure you enjoy the journey. Mastering money allows you to master life itself. Thank you for watching.